Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to install my GKtech Cooling Panel for my R32 Skyline. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, this cooling panel is going to be right in the center right here. Okay, so by doing that, we're going to remove this 10mm bolt, one right here and one right here. Okay, let's remove those bolts for now. Okay, now grab your cooling panel, set it right in the center. Everything should be all lined up. Pretty straightforward. Alright. Okay, we're gonna hand tie for now. Alright. Okay, there you have it. Okay. I'm gonna have to replace those rusty bolts on both sides. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get some push clips at work tomorrow and put them on. But pretty straightforward. And there you go, GKtech Cooling Panel for R32 Skyline, and I'll put the part number in the description box.